Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to send your money from PayPal to Gcash. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first here you can open your Gcash account. It is actually a mobile wallet that you can download or install this into your smartphones where this is specifically used here in the Philippines. It allows user to do digital transactions such as paying bills, transferring money, shopping, investing, and among many others. So Gcash can be downloaded through App Store or Play Store, and it's like carrying money from your own mobile phone. So here you can open your PayPal account, and here you will be able to, or once you log in, you will be routed automatically into your dashboard. From here, if this is what you'll see, you can click on Wallet. That's the third tab on the upper right corner or on the uppermost part of the website. And here you will be able to see under your wallet, there are two currencies that I currently have. That's US dollars and Philippine peso. So what I do here is just click on the three dots under US dollar currency and then just click on convert currency, and then you choose what currency you'd like the US dollars to be converted to, and then just type in the amount, the conversion amount that you want to transfer into your Philippine peso balance. So for example, like this one here, I just input all of the balance here in to or converted all my US dollar balance into Philippine peso, and then just click on convert, and then there you will have the US dollars that you have on your wallet into Philippine peso. So once you have the US dollars converted here on PayPal, what you can do is you need to go to your mobile phone and open your Gcash application. Once you have your Gcash application open, what you can do is just click on Cash In. That's beside just right beside your balance, and you will be able to find a lot of options, whether you can cash in through over the counter or online banking, or you can use global partners and remittance where PayPal belongs. So when you click on PayPal, once you have linked your PayPal, where you can do it on your profile, when you go to your home page, just click on your profile and you click on linked accounts. And when you click on PayPal, you just need to input your email and then click on link that's on the lower part of the screen. Like once it's fully linked, you will see that the PayPal logo will be colored already and it will not be grayed out. So you can go back to cash in and then click on PayPal once again. And then from here, once you've successfully linked your PayPal account, you will see that your balance is automatically shown. And here is as well the instructions on how to cash in from PayPal to Gcash. So here you'll see that there's a balance already. And once you want to convert the money or transfer it to PayPal, you just input the exact amount that you want and then just click on confirm. And then it will automatically process your PayPal into your Gcash account. You just need to refresh your application by dragging it from the top to bottom, and there you see that it automatically has been transferred or has now been um, connected or converted into or transferred into your Gcash account. So another way for you to send your money from PayPal to Gcash is to go to your PayPal account and click on send. When you click on send, what you can do here is to input the phone number, email, or the name of that specific person that you want the money to send to. So, for example, we'll add a phone number and then just click on send to that number, and then you will need to input the amount. But usually this is normally used for business accounts or business owners, or if you do have a business, this is usually what is being used here for you to be able to send money to Gcash. So you just need to input the amount and then you indicate what the payment is for and just click on continue. And here you will be able to see that if it's for goods and for services, there's some fees. But if it's for friends or family, there's a few details or verification that needs to be done. So what you can do is you can just go back and then you can just go to your wallet in PayPal, and you will be able to see on the left side of the screen there is link bank or link card. So what you can do here is click on link card, and then here what you can do is you can actually use your there is actually a linked under Gcash, there's a linked account. You can actually use your American Express card in order for you to link it here on Gcash. So link PayPal to Gcash. So here what you can do is open your click on link card, and then you input your card number or your debit card number, and then you select what card type it is. You need to input the expiration date and the CVC or the security code. Once done, you need to verify as well the address and click on link card. So let's view this on your um, Gcash application on your mobile phone. You'll be able to see here that on your mobile device or when you open application, what you can do is go to your profile that's on the lower right corner of the screen. When you click on it, you click on my linked accounts, and there you will be able to see American Express Virtual Pay. Just click on it. And when you click on it, it provides your details like your card number, the CVC, the address that you need to use, and your name as well. It will be indicated there. Or another way here as well is that you can actually send your money to your bank, and then sometimes or most of the banks here in the Philippines actually you will be able to connect it into your Gcash account. So you can use either Metrobank or BPI or Union Bank. You will be able to transfer your funds from those bank accounts into Gcash. And that's basically how you send your money from PayPal to Gcash. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.